All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to get on the freeway so you can hear the sunroof deflector and also so you can hear the exhaust as well. I did both of these yesterday, and yeah. Be a quick, short little video. I'm just going to go and exit down. I need to get some gas actually, so you'll probably hear the gas notification turn on shortly. I'm at 30 miles left to tank. So that's at 71 miles an hour. That's getting onto the freeway. Kind of kicked it up a little bit because there's an 18-wheeler, so I figured I'd get ahead of it. Like I said, I feel like it's a little bit more minimal noise. Also, I can hear a slight rumble of the exhaust, but not too much. Right now we're at a steady 73, 72-ish. About to get off on this exit coming up. So I'm about to slow down actually. You'll hear the sound decrease a little bit. So yeah, I think that would have been a lot louder had I not had the deflector on. Kind of wish I would have done a video, I guess, of me being on the freeway and hearing that, but I completely forgot about doing that. Really, it was kind of more for around town, at least for my sake, because when I drive around town, I just didn't want to hear some of the sound that was coming out of the sunroof. Um, but yeah, so for right now, I'm going to stop the recording, grab some gas, and then I'm going to pick it back up and drive it back home to one more exit so you can hear it one more time. All right, everyone, I just got some gas. Filled up at about $30 worth at Sam's in the Supreme. I always get 93 octane. That's just what I've done for all my vehicles. Even my STI is tuned for 93. So we're going to get back on the freeway here, and you'll hear it once again, the sunroof and the exhaust a little bit. You can already hear the exhaust a smidge. All right, 34, we're going to kind of punch it. Up to 68. 70. And to be honest, like if I'm having music playing, I'm not going to probably really hear that, but I just want to have all the music off and everything for y'all to hear it. This is just going one exit down and one exit back. Here I am about to get off my exit. So we've been kind of at 67, so we didn't go as fast as we were on the way there. But yeah, that's kind of it for this one. just a short little video for y'all to kind of understand what it sounds like on the freeway. I posted this on Reddit about me adding the sunroof deflector, and someone wanted me to get audio clips from the freeway, which I forgot to do, and I wish I would have done yesterday, a before and after, but it's all right. Definitely can hear the exhaust a little bit in the lower RPMs. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like stuff like this, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. This is All Wheel Drive Adventures TV, and I'll have more content coming soon. Thanks again, everyone. Talk at you later. Bye.